So we're here at the Kind restaurant in Evergreen. This is owned by Dustin and Ariane Speck, and Dustin is a member of Getting Us Covered, and we're here to listen to their story.
Did you try this one?
Yes.
Oh, I love it.
So you were uninsured at the time the stroke happened?
Yes, he was. We used to have Cobra from our previous job, but as we were starting up our own business, that became too expensive for us to maintain at $800 a month. So we didn't have it for approximately 2.5 years, and were completely uninsured when the stroke happened.
So that must have been really difficult, knowing that you were going to have some big medical bills coming
Horrible.
up.
It was horrible to think about that and whether we could keep our business open while also having the emotional trauma of the stroke and going through that. It was a big time of uncertainty, to say the least.
So when did you find out about Getting Us Covered?
Well, because we have a business that a lot of our community comes to visit, everyone knew what was going on with Dustin, and we had a customer who was working on healthcare reform in Colorado who let us know that there would be Getting Us Covered coming up available in the fall of that same year, 2010. So as soon as it became available, we learned about it and took
So
advantage.
it must have been a big relief once you got health insurance.
It was huge, and we actually didn't know how much of a relief until several months later. We got it in November of 2010, and in January we found out that he would need to go back in for 2 more surgeries to work on the aneurysm and fix it. And so it was a big relief to find out that we had insurance, but then knowing surgeries were on the forefront was even more so. So now, as of March, we have already had our deductible and out-of-pocket met, so the financial relief was incredible, to say the least. It saved.
So what would you want other people to know, maybe are in a similar situation to what you've been through?
I'd like them to know that there is hope, that you can be insured, because I was actually uninsurable before, and Getting Us Covered Colorado has given us peace of mind that we wouldn't have had without being able to be covered by insurance. And
well, it's amazing to us that he was previously uninsurable because of medical conditions that were unrelated to the stroke. So the fact that he has had a stroke and now can get insurance is almost unbelievable. It's just amazing to us that happened. The stroke actually happened. It was the first time that we had been away from our business, especially for such a long period of time, and our staff kept our business open. Our community came and kept our business open more so now. And the part with the insurance, now I'm able to share that with some of our customers as well. But the fact that having the insurance and then having the surgeries come up where we are again indisposed, if we hadn't had that insurance, we likely would not have been able to keep our business open. Our employees would have lost their jobs. Our community would have lost their awesome soup restaurant. And so it feels as if healthcare truly has saved our lives in more ways than the traditional sense.